Alright, so I'm making this video because I couldn't find shit on the internet for this model, but this is a Ferris IS2100z 52 inch. Got the manual. The manual kind of sucks. It does give you a diagram, but it doesn't give all the details. So it does say to use a 1/2 inch breaker bar if you're taking your belt off. I didn't really need it since mine was already broke, but I did need it to install it. Manual doesn't say anything when you're weaving it around, getting it in there, that you have to take off this eye bolt for the spring tensioner. So after about 45 minutes of me thinking I'm an idiot, I took that off. I saw some other videos off YouTube that they took them off as well, so I figured that's the way to go. I did mark mine, but ended up not needing it. That's what the blue paint is there. So when you take that off, then you can weave the belt around and follow the diagram in the manual. I thought maybe the belt that I had got was too short, because there is a lot of tension on there. So once I got the belt all the way weaved around, I did put this bolt right back in, got a couple of threads on there, and put some tension on it. Then I took my 1/2 inch breaker bar here, held it with my hand, holding it, and the belt just seemed too short. I should have took it before the cover was off, but I had this tool for working on GM car parts, and I took the belt, and while holding the tensioner, I kind of just pulled the belt around, and it fit on. Once I did that, then according to the manual, the tensioner spring length should be about 11 9/16. So I was right around there. So I brought this bolt down. As you see, there's probably a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch difference from where it was before. Yeah, the blue mark was where it was originally. Tighten that up, tighten this up. Now we're about 11 9/16. So according to the manual, now that's all together, I'm going to run it with no load for several minutes and see where it goes. Feel free to rip my video apart or use it if it helps.